Here today with the Crab Robotic pool cleaner, and got this thing all charged up. Super easy. Closed it back down so it's watertight, and attached the basket and everything. We're gonna go ahead and give it a run. So I'm gonna pick it up here. Gonna place it up here on the pool because I only got one hand. Gonna press the power button. Let's see what it does.
Welcome to the Seauto pool cleaning robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
Okay, I think I gotta put it in. The kids think that's hilarious. Let's see what happens when I get it wet here. Let's see. Alright, so I got it under the water. What did it say? I couldn't even understand what it said. I'm gonna press it again just because I'm impatient. It is. What's it do? I probably should have read the manual. Alright, I pressed it again. I'm gonna try to turn it off first. I'm holding down the power button. I'm so impatient.
I thought you knew what to do.
What is it doing? I'm just gonna drop it and see what happens. Alright, it's going down to the bottom.
I can hear it. I don't hear it moving.
Is it making noise?
Is it?
Oh, it is making noise. Here it goes. Cool. I just needed to drop it.
Go underwater and hear it.
Cool. Here it goes. How cool.
Hey, George, your scream was so loud.
Saving me some time. Fun game for the kids, too.
We can play tag.
Oh, there it goes, climbing the wall, too. That's so cool.
It's trying to kill me!
Yeah, there it goes.
Whoa.
Sweet. That's so cool.
How does it do that?
I don't know.
It tried to kill me!
That's kind of the whole point, though,
George,
is I get to
it's
just
coming for you.
let it run. Cool. All right, I'll do another video showing what all it got out of here, too.
I don't want it to die. This is so much better than the wired ones.
Yeah.
It's trying to climb me! It's trying to climb me!
That is awesome.